Mantiques Network, how you doing today? This is a continued series on our 1956 Salesman sample calendars. This one is from the Western Lithograph Company in Los Angeles. So basically, for those of you not familiar with a Salesman sample, basically bringing these into different businesses and trying to get them to customize it for their business by having a pretty lady on top, followed by a calendar. Jim found all these from one source, and they're all brand new old stock, and had them professionally framed. They're absolutely beautiful. Great content. We got the pinup girl on this one. Nice frame. You can see the back's been professionally done. Very nice. So if you are some type of advertising salesperson, or just like vintage ads in general, or pinups, this beats it.
These are antiques. These are mantiques. Antique, mantique. These guys sell mantiques. This is their store.
We're bringing stuff every day, in and out, in and out, in and out. We're shaking and baking.
These are their customers.
Give me the rundown on the GMC.
This lived in a bar in Ghent in Belgium.
Follow Jim and Jeff from 9 to 5 or after hours as they buy, sell, and restore the coolest stuff for the coolest collectors worldwide.